So how do you delete downloaded files on the iPad? Let me show you exactly how it would work. If you are first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one. Okay, so in my case, I know exactly where my files are stored when I download them from the internet. If you are not sure, I would recommend you to check out the settings of your iPad, and part of the apps at the bottom, you can look up the Safari. And in there, you can find the downloads section. And this is basically the place, the setting to decide where, when you download some files from the internet, where they happen to be stored. In my case, it's part of the local storage, and it is literally called the downloads folder, but you might have it set to something completely different. And now it is pretty simple because all I have to do is to locate a data section within my Files app and literally just go to my downloads, and here are all the things which I downloaded through the Safari from the internet. So I can just click on select and select all, and I'm gonna delete that or delete them one by one. The most important part is to actually find it. So that is one thing, but of course you might be using a different web browser. A great example is the Google Chrome, which a lot of people use as well. And in that case, it's similar to Safari, but you can find it in a different place. Just get inside the the Google Chrome, tap on the three dots for more options, and you can as well locate the downloads folder, which is going to link you to, again, back to the Apple Files app, but the Google Chrome downloads. And these are the files which you can delete as well if you downloaded them through the Google Chrome instead. But that is generally how it works. Obviously, you can also download and install like apps on the App Store and delete them from the iPad. But I try to cover the most common situation for a lot of people. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and in case of any questions, just leave them there. And it's possible I'll make an updated video about that in the future. I publish a lot of tutorials, so stay tuned so you don't miss them, and I'll see you later.